Hello friends, so my name is Afroz Khan. I am the Java full stack trainer at SP Global Solution. So today we have Keerthi with us. So she got placed in one of the IT companies. So congratulations Keerthi for getting placed as a Java developer. Okay. So just tell to everyone how many rounds of interviews did you attend?
Totally 3 rounds, sir. The first round is a written test, and the second round is DR round, and the third round is a managerial round. And first round, the written test contains nearly 5 sections. The first one is quantitative aptitude and reasoning, analytical, logical, and technical questions.
So you have attended here aptitude classes and reasoning classes, right?
Yes,
so were the classes useful for you
yes,
to clear
sir.
the first round?
It's very useful for me, sir.
Okay, that's very good. So then second round, how was the second round?
Technical round, sir.
So how the questions were there? Theory questions were there? Programs were there?
Yes, sir. Theory questions mainly asking both concepts, and they asking explain the polymorphism concepts mainly.
Okay.
And they also tell the programs also.
Okay. Okay. So you have attended your mock interviews, then you wrote exams here. So were they useful for you to
Yes,
clear
it's
this?
very useful for me, sir. Daily and we attended write the written tests, and weekly we attended the mock interviews. Very useful for me, sir.
Very useful, right? Okay, good. So finally, what do you want to tell do you want to tell any message to any of the friends who is looking for placements?
Yes, sir. Here SP Global Solution is very helpful for me, and they give the regularly written tests, and they provide the free aptitude classes and communication classes, and daily weekendly attend the mock interviews is very helpful to me. And who are looking for the jobs, SP Global Solution is the best. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Keerthi, and all the best for your future. Okay, so all right, thank you guys. Thank you so much.